print memories instantly. Welcome to today's video where we uncover the secret to making memories stick, literally. Meet the Kodak Portable Instant Printer Premium. Imagine snapping a photo and holding it in your hand 60 seconds later. Intrigued? Stay tuned. Let's talk about Zero Ink. Yep, no messy cartridges here. It's magic, well, zinc magic. The colors are hidden in the paper and pop out with a little heat. Smudge-proof, tear-resistant, and ready to slap onto your favorite journal. This thing is palm-sized, ultra-light, and fits in your pocket. Perfect for spontaneous adventures or parties where someone always hollers, "Let's take a group photo." But wait, it gets even better with a rechargeable battery. Dreamy prints are just one tap away using Bluetooth. Pair it with your phone, fire up the KODAK STEP Prints App, and voila, your photos can live outside Instagram. Editing on the app is like having a mini Photoshop in your pocket. Tweak brightness, slap on stickers, or turn your photo into a meme. Some users say it can be glitchy, but who hasn't encountered a Bluetooth tantrum? A quick app reinstall usually does the trick. Want to hold your memories in your hand? Check the link in the description and start printing your life's highlights today.